Woohoo! Fireworks! Fireworks! I love fireworks. Oh, whoa! What? I'll send it to you. I'll send it to you, okay?
I'm gonna squeeze you. I need to squeeze you.
Whoa! Whoa!
This is so cool.
Whoa!
That was amazing, my guy, bro. Subscribe to his YouTube channel.
Yeah, I really do subscribe to my. Yeah, I really subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Subscribe. What?
Yo, you're not on a real YouTube channel, right?
Whoa!
What?
Whoa!
What?
That was amazing.
Yeah, I'm
Oh, that was sick.
Bro, I'm really gonna put this on my YouTube channel.
Wow!
Whoa!
What is that in the sky?
What?
You guys see that?
Wait, that green thing that's flashing?
Yeah.
What is that?
Just see what is
That's
that?
an airplane, guys.
No, it's not coming toward us.
The,
Oh, that was amazing.
wait, but if you look on it from the camera, if you look on it from the camera, you can see it a bit better.
Oh, I see it.
And it looks like it's going away.
Yeah, it's a thing.
What? What?
What the frick? That was big. What was that? That sounded like gunshots.
I really did.
That, are the
Oh my god!
It feels like it's
I'm gonna
coming
put this on
towards
my YouTube
us.
channel. Ooh. Ooh.
That's beautiful.
Yo, I'm back this up a bit because I can still see. I can still see on my phone really good. See, this is what I mean. But I can see it really good. It's more.
Oh.
Look, if you look on it on my phone, it's way more shiny. See, look at my phone, because it's way more. Because you can see it more closer and more shiny.
Whoa. Bro, that was sick.
Yo, my hands are kind of hurting. We are recording until this is done.
That's it?
Oh, that was big. Oh God, I lost where they are. Oh, right there. Are you looking at this on my phone? Bro, look at my phone.
Oh, what?
It's so cool. Bro, it's little asteroids.
Well, put that
hitting
in
the
your
Earth.
YouTube and say hashtag cool fireworks.
Yeah, I really should.
But hashtag cool fireworks.
I got us off.
Whoa. Whoa.
And then okay, one more firework and then one end the video, guys. All right. Okay, that's the last one.
What is that doing?
Oh, what? Okay. Okay, bye, guys.